29. Okay, question 29. Susan has a box of blue beads and red beads in the ratio of 7:13. She removed an equal number of blue beads and red beads from the box. The ratio of the number of blue beads and the red beads left is become 1:3. What percentage of blue beads were left in the box? Okay, so there's two ways of doing it. Let me show you the first way. We go by the ratio way. So if let's say blue, this is red. So initially is 7:13. Okay. For this type of question, when you see equal number of blue beads and red beads that is removed, you can straight away say that this is a common difference. So you can find the difference. So 7 and 13 and 7 is 6. The difference is 6. Okay. Then after they remove the beads, it become 1:3. So 1:3. So the difference here is 2. So for common difference question, you want to make sure that the difference is the same. So I multiply the second row by 3. So I times 3, I times 3, I times 3. This one will be 6. This one will be 9, and this one will be 1. Okay, sorry, this one will be 3 because 1 times 3 is 3. Okay. So now all this now looks the same. Okay. So what is the total? The initial total unit is 7 plus 13 is 20. This one is 3 plus 9 is 12. So the percentage left in the bridge is actually 12 over 20 is equal to 6 over 10, or because you want the answer by percentage, 6 over 10 is 0.6 times 100% is equal to 60%. So the answer is 60%. Okay. So I also want to take the opportunity to show those who prefer to do it in model. Okay. So you know the model straight away we can say that there's a R and there's a blue. Okay. Then for common difference, it's always like that. You just draw a line here. Okay, to assume that this is what has been removed away. So what they left was 3:1. Okay, blue is 1 and red is 3. So this one has to be 3. So let's say I call this P, 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 and this has to be 1. Okay, so it's called this P. Call this P. This has to be 1. So this 3 unit, this 1 unit, which is stated here. Okay, so initially this is 13U because it's 13, and this is 7, so I call it 7U. So this whole stretch is 13U, this whole stretch is 7U. Okay, from the diagram you can see that this is the line, this 13 is 7, so this one has to be 6. Okay, so 6U is equal to 2P, correct? 6U is equal to 2P. Okay, straight away we see what is the number of bits. So which means that if I convert everything to U, okay, 2P is equal to 6U. I got how many P here? 1P, 2P, 3P, 4P. In the end, there's 4P. So 4P is equal to 12U. Initially, they got how many U? Initially, they got 7 plus 13, so it's 20U. So 12U over 20U, okay, is equal to same thing, 6 over 10 or 60%. So you can do it in both ways. Sorry, my handwriting is terrible. Okay, so the answer is 60%. Okay, you can use either way that you're comfortable to do it.